So these tones in my eyes, they are actually, I want this to show. These are actually, it's actually gray nude and like a shimmer, but I don't know why it's giving out because it looks like the same look that I be doing. So the color is in here is different. I don't know if it's won't pop up like on camera. I don't know why I see these lines in this camera, but anyways, I gotta get out of here because I'm trying to go to the club. This is not my week to be filming, but I need to get a video out to you all, so I am kind of rushing. So I'm definitely coming back tomorrow to do another look. I have to go drink and shake some butt and stuff, and then get something to eat and chill out. It came out so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's obsessed with this look, y'all, and I hope that y'all are obsessed with it just like I am. It's giving these hair bags, like, for real. Want to see how I achieve this look? Then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so can y'all hear me? Brows is filled in. So I'm taking room number 6 because it's basically my skin tone, and I'm going to basically cover up my eyelid with that. And I'm going to go in with a new base. This is Helen eyeshadow primer, and I know that Kiki Adams uses this all the time. I was lucky enough to get sent this base because I asked, you know, let me test your base out. So they sent this one and then 2 other bases. The other 2 bases are like kind of thicker than this one. I love it for cuts, and you can conceal your brows with this, like, bomb. That's my friend. So I'm going in with my Stage eyeshadow primer from Helen. We're about to see what this is. Oh, okay. I just used too much. I want to put it back in there, but I can't. Kind of warm. Still warm. And don't squeeze too hard. I squeeze a lot. Okay, base, come on through. It melted into the eyelid like what? I am gonna grab this color right here. My medium shader brush for Makeup Addiction. This on the outer V, y'all. Morphe 505. Stuck between these 2, but I think I'm gonna dig into this one. Come on, transitions. What? Life right now. Makeup Addiction Pro Blender, y'all. So I'm gonna take this in the front because I want to cut it, but I actually take a little height. Plouise Base number 3. I like to take these 2 brushes. This one's for the outer edge, and this one is to tap that cut. So I am going to tap that cut to get the excess off of it. Basically add these two colors. Putting these lashes on. This is $1.99 Cherry Blossom, my favorite one, 702s. Okay. Nude in the waterline. That's from Revlon. Blush, take that one towards my contour area. Go fast, y'all. Bronze with my Morphe Phenom bronzer. I'm sorry, I keep it here. This was Ofra Highlight and Rodeo Drive. Alright y'all, this is the final look. I'm going to switch my lens and I'll be right back. Okay, she's cute. She's cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I really hope y'all like this look. I would be trying my best not to make it look like the same looks that I be doing, but when I'm in a rush, like, and I swear I don't be trying to get y'all rush tutorials. Cute. I just made a TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. Don't forget to go follow me on all social media networks, like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, y'all. I will leave everything described below, everything that I use. And until the end, see you guys on the next tutorial.